Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by establishing perspective. Draw a vertical guide and a horizon so the question mark sits in 3D space. Next, sketch a teardrop-shaped curve for the main hook and place a separate small oval for the dot beneath it. Make an early decision about light direction. I suggest top left because every bevel and shadow will depend on that. Once done, refine the curve so its thickness feels natural. This early structure saves corrections later and keeps proportions readable. You now turn the flat sketch into volume by offsetting the curve outward to a consistent thickness. Connect those offsets with smooth, rounded joins so the form reads as one solid piece. Then add inner contour lines that mirror the outer edges to indicate the interface. Keep them parallel for believable geometry. Once done, draw the underside faces and extend cast edges subtly toward the vanishing point to lock the 3D illusion. These lines tell the eye how the object occupies space. You finish by establishing values. Block in the core shadow and ambient occlusion at junctions first because they anchor the form. Then place sharper highlights on the surfaces facing the light. Blend midtones between highlights and shadows so the curve reads smoothly. Once done, clean up edges and enhance the dot so it matches the hook's depth. If things look off, recheck silhouette alignment against your original guideline. Small silhouette errors ruin the 3D read, so correct them early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.